What's up, guys? One thing to have in your bug out bag that's good to have is a flint to start a fire. You get it at Amazon. Start a fire. You know, throw all your matches you find, throw them in there. A lighter with some tape to start a fire, any emergencies, anything you need. And I also have here some fishing thread, some hooks. And yes, just have them in there. And we got some cotton swabs with wax and some fuel, dipped in fuel. Let them dry, put them in here. And just have all this little kit. Have it in a bag. Keep it dry and just throw it in there for an emergency in your bug out bag. All right. Have a good day.